Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL. And today is day 67 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is monthly percentage difference, and this question got asked in Amazon. So the question is, given a table of purchases by date, calculate month over month percent change in revenue. The output should include the year, month, date and percent change. Rounded to second decimal point and sorted from beginning of the year to the end of the year. The percent change column will be populated from the second month forward and can be calculated by the given formula, that is this month's revenue minus last month's revenue divided by last month's revenue times 100. Okay, so we basically have to find out like year, month, and then what was the percent change in that month. Okay, and the formula is given. So this is what we have to do. So let's see the table quickly. So we have this table given here, assets underscore transactions. So in this, we have ID, created at, value, and purchase ID. First of all, what we are going to do, we are going to create a new column in which we will have year and month value. Okay, because we need it in this format. So let's create it. So to do that, we are going to write down date format. Then we have to pass the column name, that is created at, and then we have to pass the what we want to extract. So we want to extract year, okay, and then month. So percent year and percent small m. Okay, let's run this. Yeah, so we are getting this value. Let's name this as year, month. Let's run this. Let's name this something else. Y underscore m. Let's run this. Yeah. So we are getting this. Yeah. So from this date, we have extracted year and month. Now we have to find out in this year month, what is the total revenue. So this is the revenue value. So we have to find out for each year month. So if you see, there are multiple values in 2019 January. Okay. So we have to sum all of these so that we can understand in January month of 2019, what was the total revenue. Okay. So to do that, what we are going to do, we are going to do group by on year, month. Okay. And then we are going to remove this. And here we are going to take sum of value. Okay. So now let's run this. Yeah, we are getting this for each unique year. We are getting in this year month, this is the revenue value. In this year month, this is the value, and so on. Now, what we have to do, we have to find out this percent change. So for this, we have calculated that month's revenue. Now we have to subtract it from the last month's revenue. Okay, that is like in we have it is going, as it is mentioned, that it will start it from the second month forward, because for the first month we do not have any previous month. For second month, this is the previous month. So we have to do the what? This month revenue minus previous month revenue. So this minus this, and then we have to subtract it from last month revenue times 100. Okay, so this is the formula we are going to use. But before that, let me show you how to populate last month revenue. Okay, so to do that, we are going to use again sum of value, but this time we need, let me sum of value, but this time we need for each current month we need previous month value. So I'm going to use lag on sum of value, and we are going to use over clause because we want to show it for each row. So let's run this. Yeah, so see, for this month, it is coming empty because there is no previous month. For this month, this is the previous month revenue, right? For this month, this is the previous month revenue, right? And so this is coming. Yeah. So now what we have to do, we have to subtract this and this. And then we have to divide it by last month revenue, that is again this value. So how we are going to do it? So we have this value and this value. So I am going to do this. I'm going to subtract this and this. Let me first do this part. Okay, so we are getting these value, right? Now, what we are going to do, we are going to divide again by lag of sum of value, right? And we have to put over clause. Yeah. And then we have to do what? We have to do times 100. Okay. Now let's run this. So based on the formula, this is what we have used. So this is coming, right? Now, one more thing we have to do. We have to we round it to second decimal point. We have to do that. So let's do this. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use round, and here I'm going to put 2. Okay, let's name this as revenue difference. Let's run this. Yeah. So this is coming. We are getting this value. Now, one more thing we have to do it is we have to order by. It is mentioned that we have to sort it from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. So we are just going to order by on year, month. Let's run this, and we are getting this. Okay, for January month, February month, March month, and so on. So this is what we are getting. So this is the query. We have solved it. Now let's see the expected output. So expected output, yeah, it is matching, right? It is matching, it is same. So yeah, now let's submit our solution to check whether it is correct or not. And our solution got submitted, so this is correct. So this is how we have solved this problem. It is a simple problem, but you should know about lag. It is a window function, and there's another one that is lead, lag and lead. In lag, we show the previous one. In lead, we show the next one. Okay, so these are the window functions that you should know about. Okay, so yeah, this is all about this query. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.